All right, how is everyone doing? Whoa. That's how excited I am to teach this song. Just heard this Ariana Grande song there like 2 minutes ago. I'm after figuring it out. It contains some class chords and what a groove. It's called Thank You Next. And a student suggested it to me today to listen to. So thanks. Here we go. So this lesson is fairly off the cuff. You will find the chord diagrams listed below. I'll write them out afterwards. Let's get into it. I'll play it once. It goes 3, 4. Okay, let's take a look at this. Man, what a groove. So it's a major 7 chord to begin here. 9th fret on A, 8th fret on D, then bar, the 6th fret of G and B with your index. That's our first chord. And the thing about this song, it just goes around in a loop, which is cool. Because I was kind of, man, it was weird. Like with her last album, I was kind of disappointed with it, but this sounds so cool. Okay, that's the first chord. It's a major 7. I would call that a G flat major 7. Our next chord is an F dominant 7, which is basically a C major shape or open shape. Then get your pinky and put it on the 8th fret of G. That's what we get. And again, you'll see these in the diagram below, or listed with the numbers below, I mean. And then we get a B flat minor 7 bar chord. Pretty cool. That is just our minor bar chord shape. Just take off your pinky. Then we get this class progression. It's and again, watch. Apologies for my chord names. Somebody commented before just saying I call them wrong names. Now, my theory isn't the hottest in the world, I'll be honest. So the chord names were the right types. Just sometimes I might have referred to C sharp where it should have been D flat. So apologies to any theory heads out there. So this is 4th fret, A string down. Bar all those, then get your ring finger and put on the 6th fret of the thin E string. That's what we get. And I rake it like that. And advice there, just slow it down first and build it up. Then lift off your ring finger. Then hit A string, G, B, and E. So you go. Then I get my pinky and place it on the 7th fret of B and index still waiting barred. Get that. Hit those two together. So all together. And then my pinky gives way and then it's my ring finger on the 6th fret of B. I do think I'll label this an advanced lesson. There's some fairly funny bits in it. So we get... Okay, so that's our groove to start. So it goes like this. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And sometimes I'll vary the bass note. I'll go bass, chord, bass, chord, bass, chord, bass. That'll be one way you could do it. The other way is to start off with this chord. This is 2 on B, 3 on G, 4 on D. Then get your thumb on the 2nd fret of the thick E string. Okay, so that's how you'd start. Then it's an F7 bar chord. And then we go back up here. I will return up there. And of course, that bit there. Okay, so that gives us all that. Now, there's a bit then where with the groove we go, 3, 4, oh sorry, 3, 4. Oh man, brain is starting to shut down here. There we go. Okay, apologies folks. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, I'm just varying around the chords. And the last one here. Oh man, there's a cool chord. It's using Isn't She Lovely, and I think you'll hear some similarities between that Stevie Wonder song and this Ariana Grande one. To play this chord, it is an F. Please say I'll say this right. I think it's an F augmented chord. So, 8th fret on A, index will bar the 7th fret on D and the 7th fret on B. Then your ring finger will go on the 8th fret of G. Like that. So it goes like this. It goes F again, sorry, the F sharp, major 7. Then this one. Then of course that is the regular staple. And that's all the parts. Yeah, definitely want to label that one advanced, or at least semi-advanced. So I've never made so many little mistakes in a video lesson. Really cool though, the groove is unreal. Hope whoever was on that with her, hope she does more of those ones. So thanks for watching. Would love to hear your comments below how you get on with this. For anybody out there who wants feedback on this, just if you want to send me a video of yourself playing it at any stage, you will find me listed under Facebook, on Facebook under the Guitar Coach. That'll be the name. The link is in the description. If you want to send a video over Private Messenger, I'll get back with some technique tips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you soon.